Hello there. I'm going to show you how to make your own GIF for Discord. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up your preferred browser and type in Giphy, and then click the top one, which should be giphy.com. From here, in the top right, you want to hit login. It's unlikely that you already have an account, so what you need to do is click sign up and quickly input your details here, or you can sign up via Facebook or with Apple. Once you've signed up and logged in, at the very, very top, you'll see the plus create button. So click that. And then here you have two options. You can either create a GIF, as we have spoken about previously, or you can create a sticker, which is a similar thing, but there will be no moving parts to it. Alternatively, you can paste a URL from either Giphy, YouTube, Vimeo, etc., down here, and then use that as your media. So for us, we're gonna create a GIF. So we'll click choose file, and I'll select this image here. So as this is a still image, it says this is a still image. So GIFs must be in motion. So you can either add a filter or add stickers to give it some kind of movement. So what we'll do is we'll add a VHS filter. There's also an intensity bar here, so you can have it not so imposing, and do continue to upload. And then for visibility, you can either have it public or private. Obviously, if it's public, that means you should be able to find it in Giphy repositories, which you can get in like Discord or Slack or other things like that. You can give it tags, which obviously would be beneficial in finding your GIF, and you can add a source URL if you wish to. At this point, you can also download it straight away, but we're going to upload it to Giphy. Once the upload is complete, you can either click the download button or you can click the copy link button. Now we can open up Discord, paste the URL that we copied, and as you can see, our GIF is now in Discord. To save you having to do this all the time, if you hover over the GIF that you just pasted, you'll see the star, and this will add it to your favorites, and you can access your favorites again down here in the GIF menu, and then you just click favorites. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.